In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to change the primary domain in your GoDaddy cPanel. This process involves a few key steps and important considerations you need to be aware of. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the tutorial. Our journey begins on your GoDaddy product page. You'll want to locate your web hosting account here. It's typically amongst an array of other products and services you have with GoDaddy. Scan through your list of services until you find the specified web hosting account. Once you've spotted your web hosting account, the next step is to look out for a button or option that says Manage. This should be situated right next to the cPanel hosting account that you wish to modify. If you've multiple hosting accounts with GoDaddy, ensure you select the right one for this change. With the cPanel hosting account open, direct your attention towards the account dashboard. On this dashboard, you're looking for the Settings section. Inside this Settings section, seek out the option titled Change that's nestled right next to Primary Domain. This is the option you'll need to engage with in order to change your primary domain. Now, it's time to decide on the new primary domain. The platform offers flexibility here, as you have two options. You can either select an existing domain from your GoDaddy account, or you can enter a new domain name or even a subdomain. Think through and choose a domain that best aligns with your purpose. Finally, having selected or typed in your preferred new domain, it's time to complete the process. You do this by simply selecting Change Domain. It's important to remember that once you click this, your settings are locked in, marking the conclusion of your domain change process. Before we wrap up, however, there are a few important considerations to bear in mind. To begin with, the change in domain might not be instant. It can take up to 24 hours to complete. This may surprise some, as there is typically no charge for this service, but the time delay is based on back-end processes taking their course. Furthermore, if you've elected to utilize a new domain or subdomain, you may need to make an additional step. That involves updating your domain name system, or DNS, a record, to point towards the new IP address of the virtual location of your new domain. Lastly, be aware that this guide specifically concerns cPanel-based hosting accounts at GoDaddy. If you're operating another hosting type, for instance, managed WordPress hosting, the process to make primary domain changes will be different. This concludes our tutorial on changing primary domains in GoDaddy via the cPanel. Now you are equipped with the knowledge to take control of your domains. Best of luck!